Hey, it's Edgar from BuddhaBox Mayfair here in London, and this is the fundamentals of boxing. Today we're gonna cover basic defense. There are many reasons why people do boxing, but one of the main reasons is people want to know how to protect themselves. Today I'm gonna show you the basic of how you can avoid getting punched. First of all, in your stance, making yourself a smaller target. If you're square-footed, you're becoming a very big target, even with your hands up. So stance, making yourself smaller, chin down, because that's where people aim the most. That's the knockout place. Chin down, protecting it with your hands. From other side, you're protecting it with your shoulder. So if the punch coming from this side, you can always protect it with your shoulder, from this side with your knuckle. Make sure your hands are quite high, but not too high, because you want to also protect your body from getting shot. From the right side, you can protect it with the elbow. If it's a hook, you can just lift it up. Make sure your chin down, hands up, elbows close to your body. And one of the biggest taboo in the boxing is looking away, looking down. Trying to not to see those punches coming. That's when people get knocked out, when they don't see the punch coming. Because it's not the most powerful, it's not the fastest punch which knocks people out, but the punch which they cannot see. So beginners, they look away, they want to try to avoid those punches. Make sure you watch your opponent, you protect your chin. Even if the punch is coming, you can step forward. This will limit your opponent's punches. So movement, there are different ways how you can protect yourself. But remember, chin down, hands up, elbows close to the body, and watching your opponent. Not flinching, always watching your opponent. So there are different ways how you can protect yourself. It's a footwork, moving, stepping, hands by catching the punches, or head movements with rolls and steps. But that's our next chapters.